simplifying your world, understanding, reduce the amount of. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make learning it a bit easier and a lot more fun. Today, we're tackling a phrase you've probably heard quite a bit: reduce the amount of. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering nuance in English, so let's break it down together. Reduce the amount of is a phrase that means to decrease the quantity, number, or volume of something. It's used when talking about making something less in size, number, or amount. This phrase can apply to almost anything, from physical objects, like reducing the amount of sugar in your coffee, to more abstract concepts, like reducing the amount of stress in your life. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it's often used in instructions, advice, and guidelines across various contexts. For example, environmental conservation, reduce the amount of waste you produce. Health and nutrition, reduce the amount of salt in your diet. Financial advice, reduce the amount of unnecessary expenses. Grasping the meaning and use of this phrase helps in following instructions more accurately and expressing oneself clearly in English. Using reduce the amount of is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Here are a few examples to guide you. I'm trying to reduce the amount of coffee I drink every morning. Our company is committed to reducing the amount of paper we use in the office. To save on electricity bills, reduce the amount of time you spend watching TV. Notice how the phrase can seamlessly integrate into various sentence structures, making it a versatile tool in your English language toolkit. To really cement your understanding of reduce the amount of, try creating your own sentences with the phrase. Think about areas in your life or topics you're interested in where you can apply this phrase. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use it in conversation or writing. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, reduce the amount of. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and how you can use it to express ideas of decreasing quantities in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.